Kungfu Sushi Group Sdn Bhd is a private limited corporation that has been in operation for 11 years. Kungfu Sushi is where traditional Japanese cuisine is flavored with modern flavor and also offers a wide range of these dishes. It delivers high-quality sushi and other Japanese dishes at reasonable cost in a warm and welcoming setting. The personal touch of serving freshly cooked sushi on the kaiten for guests to pick up and enjoy is what distinguishes Kungfu Sushi. Furthermore, the company's purpose is to deliver excellent Japanese cuisine to all Malaysians. As for the product, Kungfu Sushi serves sushi, mochi, onigiri, and beverages. The total of product they produce and serve is approximately 120 types of product. For their main dish, which is sushi, there are two types, which are original style and deep fried style. Original style sushi is generally made with medium grain white rice. However, brown rice or short grain rice sushi also can be used. For example, Subuko, Kanitobiko, and Norwegian salmon. And for the deep fried style sushi, it is a sushi in which coated roll is deep fried until golden and is crisp. The crunchy roll is sliced and generally served with Japanese style mayonnaise. As an example, tempura prawn, fried maki rolls, and deep fried rolls. Kungfu Sushi Sdn Bhd business offer supply and distribution food and drink materials, consulting in business management of food and beverages, restaurant and cafe, and last but not least, delivering food to customers. So for the first one, the food and beverage supply chain refers to the process of sourcing, processing, and distributing raw materials and ingredients to customers. Farmers, processors, distributors, retailers, and consumers are among the various stakeholders. Next, for the food and beverage consultant, it is a specialist who provide advice and help on restaurant, bar, and other venue management. They offer fresh viewpoint and examine the overall performance of a food and beverage company's operation to discover opportunities for improvement. Last but not least, for the food delivery. Food delivery is a courier service in which food is delivered to a customer by a restaurant, store, or independent food delivery company. An order is often placed from a restaurant or grocery websites or mobile app, or via a mail ordering service. As for Kungfu Sushi, they use Foodpanda, GROUP4, and Shopee Food as their third party to deliver their food to their customer.
Now I will talk about the supply chain management of Kungfu Sushi. They are choosing their supplier based on condition that they must have the expertise and best quality in producing the material or input that are needed in their sushi making, such as rice and seaweed. Besides, by developing a long-term relationship with few suppliers, such as Sumo Rice Company, they adopt a selective sourcing method. Basically, they are using outsourcing method to obtain their inventory. Next, I will talk about location strategy of Kungfu Sushi. Kungfu Sushi is located on the ground floor of GM Klang and close to other dining establishment. In addition, Kungfu Sushi also located close to the building A's main entrance, which has the high consumer density and easy to access for stock taking. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is Ainin. Today I will explain about the inventory management and quality management of Kungfu Sushi Sdn Bhd. A restaurant inventory involves keeping track of and controlling the purchase, ordering, storage, and movement of stock to show how much of each items in business have on hand and to make it possible for a company to supply goods quickly to satisfy demand. A restaurant costing technique called inventory management affects your food expenses, revenue, profitability, and cash flow. And organized and coordinated food inventory strategies puts everything in the proper location. The care of raw material used in manufacturing its product is highlighted by Kungfu Sushi Sdn Bhd. On daily basis, they will make sure all the raw materials used in the making of sushi are in a good shape. The workers will put all the raw materials into a container that provided by the store and put it all in a refrigerator to maintain the temperatures of the product. The owner of this company wants to optimize their inventory management and implement cost control in light of the current state of the economy and continued flight inflation. The best restaurant inventory management is a key lever that operators must use in order to track and control costs. Workers who are responsible for taking care of raw materials need to ensure that the raw materials are sufficient. Therefore, every weekend, they will count the stock and inform the managers on duty so that the manager could reorder the stock. Cross-contamination is a common occurrence when bacteria from one food item spread into another food item, frequently through the use of unwashed cutting boards, knife, counters and another kitchen implements, as well as unwashed hands. Food illness can result from cross-contamination, and to prevent this cross-contamination, raw and cooked ingredients must be physically separated during preparation, and different utensils, cutting board and surface should ideally be used. Next, temperature control. Until they are ready for use, all potentially dangerous raw materials should be kept in the refrigerators. Foods that have been frozen should be defrosted in a microwave or under refrigeration. The third one is storage and display. Prepared sushi is considered as a potentially hazardous food once the other ingredient is combined with acidified rice. Therefore, sushi should be maintained at 5 degrees Celsius or below during storage and display. However, there are different types of method used for sushi made with acidified rice and sushi made with non-acidified rice. Next, distribution. Food that is being transported to another food establishment should be properly labeled or branded, and food that will be processed further should at least have a batch or lot code. When information is not required to be on a specific box, it must be included in a documentation that comes with the food or ingredients. And the last one is disposal. All pre-made rice or sushi that has been held over 5 degrees Celsius during the day must be disposed of at the end of the business day. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Lukman. So today I'm going to talk about improvement management that can be done by Kungfu Sushi. First, they can enhance the menu by offer a diverse menu with a wide selection of sushi rolls, sashimi, and other Japanese specialties. Regularly introduce new and seasonal items to keep customers intrigued and encourage regular visits. Next, community engagement. Actively engage with the local community by participating in events, supporting local causes, and collaborating with other businesses. This helps foster goodwill, generate positive word of mouth, and build a loyal customer base. In addition, efficient operations and supply chain management by optimize internal processes to ensure smooth operations, minimize wait times, and maintain sufficient inventory levels. Develop strong relationship with suppliers to ensure a consistent and reliable supply of fresh ingredients. In other hands, expand dietary options. Cater to various dietary preferences and restriction by offering vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and other special options. Ensure clear labeling of ingredients and allergens to help customers make informed choices. Last but not the least, online presence and convenience. By establishing an online presence with a user-friendly website and active social media profiles, offer online ordering, reservation systems, and delivery options to provide convenience to customers. In conclusion, effective operation management is essential for a business overall success. To guarantee efficient operations, high productivity, and satisfy customer, it involves handling resources, procedures, and employees effectively. When conducting a business, we must give top priority to a variety of factors, including consumer preferences and product quality. Thank you. That's all from us.